Okay, well, so I'm going to show you something here. I want to show you a 3D update my city had. I just want to show it to you. Gonna be quick, so. No, I don't want that. All this unnecessary crap. Alright. Maybe quick. Alright. So, my city got a 3D update. From satellite, it used to be flat, but now you can see everything in 3D. Just like the BGE microwave tower. They really nailed the design of this, but if you don't believe from the photos that I've shown in the past about it, it turns. Yeah, it turns, see? And yeah. So now that's 3D. And they actually match up with the images pretty well. And they're specific specific order. So I'm gonna show you the difference today between a microwave tower and a normal cell tower. Now we're not going to use Google Earth because it takes too much of my battery. We're going to do Google Maps. So let's get started. The satellite can load up here. So let me find a normal cell tower just in my city. It doesn't take long because I already know where. Again, I know I've been around here for almost 2 decades, so I know what is what and what's not. So this is a normal cell tower, and let me actually get its full exposure because it's behind a tree. Go away, semi truck. We don't want you. Alright. So that is a normal cell tower, antenna racks and everything. And oh, I forgot to mention, not everything I'm saying in this video is 100% correct, but I'm pretty sure I know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I know what the difference is. So these are antenna racks. These are for cellular to connect to people's phones. And yeah. To cell tower. And then here's another cell tower. Let me show you here. And this is the cell tower clone of another one in Lancaster. Let me show you here. This is a cell tower. That is a cell tower, but it's creepy as hell. So this is a cell tower. It has an antenna rack, and it's stuck in its night mode since 2018 or 2019. So yeah. And let me show you the difference here. That down there is a microwave tower. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in. Right there. That is a microwave tower. And let me prove to you that it is one. So let me get Street View here. This is a microwave tower because of the amount of microwave dishes it has on it. And you notice how this newer one, which was put on a couple of years ago, is different than all the other ones. And because normal cell towers don't have that. And also, if you see here, it has these things, which I'm guess it's used for FM and AM something antenna things. I don't know, it could be wrong. And another thing too, antennas. It has a bunch of antennas and a bunch of mini discs too. So, I mean, it has like one or two cellular things, but the way I look at it, you have to base it on a 50-50 kind of thing. If it has more antennas but less cellular things, then it's a microwave tower. If it has more cellular things but less microwave things, then it's more of a cell tower. So, yeah. And if one thing that cell towers don't have normally is the amount of antennas at the top. There's only 3 here, but yeah. Now, let me go back to 2012. It did have an antenna rack. However, these were cellular. So this was actually, at the time, a cellular and microwave at the same time, which is kind of cool. And also, let me see here. It had another dish, which they took off somewhere between October of 2008 and somewhere of June 2012, so I don't know what they did with that. So that is a comparison of a microwave tower to a cell tower, if you were to know. Now this is from my perspective again. I'm not fully correct, but that's what I think. And let me show you another type of microwave tower. I think y'all already know what I'm about to do. I already know where this one's at too. It's just west of, or northwest of Lexington. Going to for sales, but it's this Longlines tower here. This is not really a microwave tower anymore, but it's kind of like used as a cell tower now. But if you go back in Street View, it has horns on it. So therefore it was microwave because it has horns on it. Those are horn antennas for the microwave service community. All them, yeah. So then you go back, and yeah, there's the dishes, or the horns. I've said in a recent, or not a recent video, but a video like a few months back, like almost a year back, I don't know, of this cell tower looking like it has eyes, or someone strapped balloons to it. So, yeah. Yeah. So that is my comparison between a microwave tower right here and a cell tower, which is down here. Oh, and also down here by the, I think this is a hotel. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And then this is like a playground. No, that's a football field. This is yeah, that is a cell tower there. Alright. So yeah, that's my comparison. Hope you all enjoy.